Armsgate hits Parliament tomorrow at noon. Nearly a year ago, Times Now exposed how 8 to 15% commissions were being offered by Augusta Westland in pushing defence deals. Our detailed investigations and hard facts were overlooked by the government for almost a year after that. It was only after the arrest of Italian defence giant Finmeccanica CEO that the Indian authorities and the Indian government woke up. At least it seemed they woke up to the murky trail of middlemen, lobbyists and dubious defence deals spread across 3 continents. At noon tomorrow, and this is decisive, the Parliament is finally set to debate Armsgate for the first time.
We exposed the irregularities in Augusta Westland deal 11 months ago. But then the government gave it a knee-jerk clean chit. 2 weeks ago, with the Italian government arresting Finmeccanica CEO, whose firm allegedly bribed former Air Chief SP Tyagi. Times Now opened an all-new can of worms. Our investigation taking us all the way to Switzerland, making your channel the first to track down Italian middleman Guido Hashke's office in Lugano.
I wanted to speak with Deborah, if that's possible.
I'm speaking.
In fact, I am in Lugano. If it is possible, can I meet you?
I'm sorry, that's not possible. I can give you a phone number.
Within a day, the CEO of the Italian firm Finmeccanica stepping down, facing heat over Armsgate.
Jistap Orsi, the CEO of Finmeccanica, has been interrogated yesterday, and in his interrogation he said 3 specific no's. 1, that he did not know anybody from the Tyagi family and did not get into any arrangement with them.
Times Now's relentless investigation from Milan, proving the Indian link to Armsgate, forcing the government to send a CBI team to Italy.
As far as the Indian side is concerned, the CBI has still not registered a preliminary inquiry in this case. So in that scenario, even when the CBI had sought help from the Interpol could not do much in this particular case.
Soon after, your channel exposed the British link to Armsgate, revealing middleman Christian Michael's master plan.
Italian investigators point out to a plot by Christian Michael to try and show payments from Augusta Westland as legitimate payments. Augusta Westland would have appointed Christian Michael as their agent for buying the junk helicopters. And in these exaggerated payments, the kickback trail would have been completely buried forever.
And today, documents accessed by Times Now also reveal how missing middleman Guido Hashke was also working for subsidiaries of Finmeccanica, which were doing business with the Indian Navy.
Hashke has been paid €58,000 by Otto Melara, a subsidy of Finmeccanica. Will Otto Melara clarify why he was paid €58,000? Does it have anything to do with a deal Otto Melara is trying to do with the Indian Navy?
Times Now first unraveled how Armsgate is not just limited to choppers, revealing that the tentacles of corruption were deep-rooted at every level. And on Wednesday, with the Parliament all set to discuss the matter, the government will clearly have a lot to answer. Bureau Report, Times Now.